Hey guys, thank you so much for helping us with our survey. I just wanted to make a really quick video just to show you how this guidebook is intended to sort of work and just explain the context of it as well. So the peer support guidebook we've sort of made to target lived experience mental health support workers, more so in that mental health facility setting as well. And this document is purely focused on increasing social participation for the consumers. I also want to run through how to sort of read this guidebook when you're doing the survey. So what we originally had was an interactive Word doc where you've got you can toggle certain areas so it's a bit easier to read. Unfortunately, when we piloted this and sent it out to a few people, that or wasn't always coming up on other people's computers and it's just coming up as one big long document. So sorry about that. We have tried. In an ideal world, we will make this into an interactive website that might be a bit user friendly. So what you'll see is that we have highlighted anything we want you to read in yellow to make it a bit easier. So for example, you'll see about this guidebook, how to use it, anything to note we've highlighted in red as well. And then you'll come down to see the peer support guide for inpatient transition and in-community supports. I have left in here the things in red. I'm just wanting to show you what other content we have in this peer guidebook as well. But for the purpose and time limitations of this survey, we're just focusing on 3 and 4 at this stage, wanting you to have a look over. So what you'll see is the 3 will be inpatient group workshops, for example. We've given examples for group sessions and also running independent sessions as well. In each section, we've given an overview, little hot tips, and then you come down into suggested session ideas. So for example, number 1 would be interest discovery sessions. And as I said, in an ideal world, it would be toggled like this. So if you're a peer support worker, you could just go, hey, today I need to run a session for discovering interest. You come to number 1, interest discovery sessions. You toggle down, you have an overview, have your hot tip, and then it would come down into session plans. So this just goes through what the aim of the session is, what potential outcomes, any discussion tips, any facilitation tips. And then we go down into interactive activity examples. And you can also examples of what downloadable resources we would provide as well. So we've tried to keep it consistent. So for example, if a peer support worker is wanting ideas for like activities and how to run it, we've kept it in pink. And then any resource sections, we've tried to keep that in green, just so it's an easier document to navigate as well. But we really hope you find it useful. The survey is specifically looking on if you think that this would increase your confidence in running individual sessions or group sessions. Usability survey will be further down the track. So we really appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much.